Still the lyricist, vocabulary physicist, and those lyrics are self-explanatory. Don't leave that off them.
And we must be most artist boy, and no boy can take the title from Vybz Kartel. Remember that.
Except the Lord build the house, they labor in vain that day.
Vybz Kartel. Early beginnings, late 1990s, early 2000s. Vybz Kartel, born Adidja Azim Palmer on January 7th, 1976 in Kingston, Jamaica, began his music career in the late 1990s. Initially part of a group called Vybz Kartel, his talent soon outgrew the group's limited success. Pursuing a solo career, Kartel quickly gained attention for his lyrical prowess, with early works reflecting the gritty realities of life in Kingston. In 2002, Kartel made a significant breakthrough with the single Gun Clown, produced by Don Corleone. This track highlighted his sharp lyrics and storytelling abilities. Subsequent songs like Most High and Tattoo helped build his reputation in the dancehall community. His distinctive voice and unique style set him apart from his peers. Breakout hits and collaborations, 2003 to 2005. Kartel's career soared in the early 2000s, propelled by a series of hit singles and notable collaborations. In 2003, he released Sweet to the Belly, a track that cemented his status as a rising dancehall star. Follow-up hits like Bada Dan Dem and Emergency received significant airplay, further elevating his profile. Collaborations with established artists like Bounty Killer were crucial to Kartel's rise. Bounty Killer, a dancehall legend, mentored Kartel, introducing him to a broader audience. Their joint efforts, such as Gal Clown and Warlord World, were well received, boosting Kartel's exposure and industry connections. Feud with Mavado and Gaza Gully War, 2006 to 2009. A defining period in Kartel's career was his feud with fellow dancehall artist Mavado, which became known as the Gaza Gully War. Starting in 2006, this rivalry was marked by a series of diss tracks exchanged between the two artists. Despite the controversy, the feud significantly increased Kartel's popularity. His lyrical battles with Mavado showcased his sharp wit and lyrical dexterity, with tracks like Life Sweet, Last Man Standing, and Mind Pon Me Money becoming anthems. The Gaza Gully War also had a broader cultural impact, creating a sense of loyalty and rivalry among fans that extended beyond the music. This period highlighted the power of dancehall music to influence and reflect social dynamics in Jamaica. Entrepreneurial ventures and cultural impact, 2010 to 2011. By the early 2010s, Kartel had established himself as one of the most influential figures in dancehall. He expanded his brand beyond music, launching entrepreneurial ventures like Street Vybz Rum in 2010, which became popular in Jamaica and among the Jamaican diaspora. He also introduced a line of enlightening products, sparking debates about colorism and identity. Kartel's influence extended to fashion and language. He popularized the wearing of Clark's shoes in Jamaica, turning them into a cultural symbol. His use of slang and unique linguistic style resonated with young Jamaicans, shaping their speech and fashion. Songs like Clark's, Summertime, and Dancehall Hero became cultural anthems, solidifying his status as a trendsetter. Legal troubles and continued influence, 2011, present. In 2011, Vybz Kartel's career faced a major setback when he was arrested and charged with murder, leading to a 2014 conviction and life sentence. Despite this, his influence in dancehall has not waned. He continues to release music from prison, maintaining a significant presence in the industry. Albums like King of the Dancehall, 2016, to Tanesha, 2020, and Of Dons and Divas, 2020, have received critical acclaim and commercial success. Kartel's ability to produce hit songs while incarcerated is a testament to his talent and resilience. His music remains relevant, addressing contemporary issues and resonating with fans worldwide. Kartel's impact on dancehall music and culture is undeniable. He has influenced countless artists and shaped the genre's evolution over the past 2 decades. His lyrical brilliance, entrepreneurial spirit, and cultural influence have made him a legend in dancehall. Despite his legal challenges, Vybz Kartel's legacy continues to grow, and his music remains a powerful force in the world of dancehall.